Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make the full gather skirt. For this we need 3 meters of fabric, and for the fabric like this. First I'm going to measure the length of the skirt. Here whatever length you want, add 2 more inches for your belt and 1 inch for bottom seams. Here I'm taking 35 inches plus 2 more inches for band and 1 inch for bottom, total 38 inches. Here we are going to cut this. Now the width will be like how much gather have you want for the skirt, take that much. Here I am taking the full width for gathering. Now I have 2 pieces of fabric, one for the front and one for the. Now place the fabric right on right side and give the stitch on both sides like this. So here my pieces are attached. Now I'm going to give the fold to the top part of my skirt. For inserting the elastic, I'm giving 2 inch of gap and fold the fabric like this and stitch at the end of the folded portion. Here my place for elastic is ready. Now length of the elastics is depend upon whatever will be the measurement of your waist part minus 2 inch from it, and this will be your elastic measurement. Here the length of the elastic is 34 inches. Adjust your gather properly, and here your skirt is ready. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.